Can we go to York?
Yeah. All 4 fields.
Yeah, all 4 fields.
Can we start that way then?
No, we have to. This is our spawn point, so we have to go that way.
In the corner between yard. I mean, no, not yard. Trenches and D9.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go all over the place, just not D9.
All 4 of these fields are like all 4.
Because I don't feel right in trenches. I just hate this map.
Yeah, you can go over there.
I hate it, dude. I like it. Every time I play trenches, I always get shot in the head or something. Yeah. And now I barely got a helmet, so I'm good now. But I used to wear just nothing, just the goggles.
Wait, hold on. Hey, actually, I'm going to rush these trenches.
Trenches? I'm going to go Mexico. I mean, it's yard. Yeah? Where's Rafi?
Everybody has a grenade.
We're just gonna go over there to get a good.
Hey, enemy. Come with me that way, alright?
Yep.
Full auto.
Hey, I'm gonna go to yard.
I'm going to let them.
You wanna go?
We're going to the center box. See if we can spot where they're dropping them off.
Don't go too hard.
Go, 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 go,
Go,
go.
go, 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 go!
Set them up.
You guys want at the truck?
One at the truck?
Coffee, we got some over there.
Shit. Chance! Chance!
Yeah.
One at the truck, right?
Inside the box.
Alright, cool. I'm coming.
We got 4 moving left over the spur.
4 moving left.
Huh?
4 moving left.
What? This way.
Guys. Over the bar on the left side.
You want to get in here? You want to go up here?
Careful. Just go straight at the truck.
There they go.
Dude, right here. Dude, right here. They see some people.
Watch for the guys with blue bands. Those are the rebels.
Is that safety? No. Full of street? Yeah. There you go. Oh, dude, right there. Over the dirt. Let's move up. You got hit. I'm gonna go this side. Right side.
Building.
Hey, he's getting dropped off. Look for the pilot.
Keep an eye!
Hey guys, pilot's getting dropped off.
What?
Oh, shoot.
Keep your sights!
Let him up.
Guys, remember they can shoot you. Be careful.
Stay low. They're dropping the pilot off. Careful, dude.
Yeah, no.
This field's straight at the building. They just dropped off the pilot right there.
Pilot's right there?
Yeah, pilot's over to the left in Mexico. So somehow we gotta make a push into Mexico City.
Do you want to go back around?
I think we should keep pushing up.
Who's got a range gun over here? We got one straight ahead.
Where at?
Behind the fence. Straight from my position.
Alright, cool.
Guys on the left, move up.
Hey, straight at the fence!
Guys on the right, move up a little bit. Left side, move up. Left side.
I got one straight across from me.
Joshua coming down.
All right, cool, coming down. Straight ahead from my position.
They got guys on the left side over the berm on this, over there.
We got the pilot.
All
They do?
players, in order to respawn, you must have 10 players in the respawn. All
Damn.
players, in order to respawn, you must
Look
have
at there's
10
rebels.
players.
They're moving that way.
Get your 10 together and respawn.
Hit!
Come on, let's move.
Stay low.
Guys, watch your sticks.
Hit! Hit! Hit!
Hit.
Fuck.
Popping over the burns.
You dude?